welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different. My channel is normally beauty hacks and makeup stuff, but it is one of the most highly requested videos throughout my whole entire social media platform. Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube always is asking about my hair, and today I'm going to be giving you guys everything you guys need to know, from the bleaching to the extensions, literally everything, and I really hope that this video helps. Another thing that I'm really excited about is that today's video is going to be a collaboration with my mom. As a lot of you may know her, Mama Vixxen on YouTube, and she is the one that does my hair all the time. So on her channel, she's going to be teaching you guys how I bleach my roots to get them this light. As a lot of you guys may know, I am Latina, so I have very dark black roots, and she's gonna teach you guys how to get this blonde with only one time bleach, one sitting, very quickly, and that's gonna be on her channel. And on my channel, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how I install my tape-ins. This is actually my first time that I ever do tape-ins, and you guys, I am so excited and happy because I wake up with long hair, go to sleep with long hair, bathe in long hair, shower in long hair. Like, this is goals. I always wanted my hair to look this beautiful. Another amazing thing to tell you guys that in this video we're going to be having a giveaway on tape and extensions. I'm going to be letting you guys know a little bit more about that towards the end. So if you guys want to know how to apply your tape and extensions, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're gonna get started, and I want to tell you guys first about what extensions I'm wearing, because since I posted them on my Snapchat, so many of you guys noticed that they're not the regular ones that I always use, and you guys wanted to know what extensions I was wearing. So these are the Amazing Beauty hair extensions. I cannot even with myself how amazing these extensions are. I saw that they had tape-in and clip-in extensions, and they were extremely affordable. So I was like, okay, they're affordable and they look amazing, and I'm all about affordability, so I thought my Vixxies would appreciate that. And I was a little bit skeptical because the price is absolutely mind-blowing for the quality of this hair. I've been using hair extensions for many years, since I was in high school, and that was like 7 years ago. So when I felt this hair, there has been none of the hair extensions that I've ever owned that felt this amazing and this authentic. Like, honestly, you guys, I cannot stress enough how amazing the hair is. And it's not because they sent me the hair. This video is not sponsored. They're not paying me to do this video. It's just true quality. There wasn't a single strand of hair that came off when I washed it, when I toned it, when I combed it, when I slept on it, because I've been having this hair for 2 days already, and it has not shedded a single hair. I am so impressed. And the price, you guys, the price is like, is this even real right now? Another thing, they were so kind enough to give me a discount code on top of how cheap they are already. They gave me a discount code for you guys, so I will be leaving that down below if you guys want to purchase your own. But I just want to tell you guys how amazing this brand truly is, and I really hope you guys go check it out. I do not get commission or anything from this. I just really need you guys to know how amazing this hair is. So when you order your hair, it comes in its packet like this. Well, not like this. It comes in a bag and instructions in the back, and it comes with a little tape. They are also amazing enough to send every single one of you guys a pair of eyelashes, and these are natural hair eyelashes. These are so beautiful. They look like mink lashes, like goals. And it also comes with a second pack of tapes. When these outgrow out of your hair, you guys can switch them out and use new ones and then pop them back in. And it also comes with a comb. Alright guys, and now to applying the tape-ins. What you're going to do first is section off your hair into 4 sections. 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. And this is just going to help you guys keep it clean and no strays getting stuck on the tape-ins, because that really hurts. So next, what you guys are going to do is take an inch amount of hair from the bottom of your head up, and take that little section and section that off. That is going to stay clean, no tape-ins in there, because that is going to help you guys cover your tape-ins when you guys want to have an updo. After that, you're going to be taking a very small amount of hair, basically the same amount of hair that this extension comes with. You're going to section off that much off your hair. Another thing that is really important is that you guys keep the sides of your hair free also. So when you pull up the hair, you guys are not able to see them on the sides either. You're going to be taking off the little sticker off the hair, and now it is ready to apply. You're going to be applying the extension super close to your scalp, but enough to give it movement. So you're going to be placing the first one underneath the hair, making sure every single strand of hair is placed on the tape. And then next she's going to go in with the rat tail comb and then go over it again just to make sure every single strand of hair is stuck to the tape. Next, you're going to be taking the second hair extension. Make sure you take off the sticker once again, and then you're going to sandwich that onto the top of the other extension. Something that's really important is to make sure that there is movement in the hair, that you're able to move it up and down. And as you guys can see, my mom did a wonderful job, and that is basically the gist of what you're going to be doing throughout your whole head. You're going to be sandwiching 2 little extensions onto a little piece of your own hair. And this step is going to be very different for every single person because depending on the size of your head. But for me, you were only able to apply 2 extensions on the bottom. Next, we're going to be taking the next section, and the way my mom's doing it is keeping 2 finger lengths between each extension. So she's going to be splitting the hair again. She's going to start doing a brick layer application. So in between those 2, there's going to be 1 on top and then 2 on the sides. So the next section, she was able to fit 3 in. And again, we're going to be placing the tape-in extension underneath the hair, helping yourself with your fingers to place down the hair on top of the tape-in. And going in with the rat tail comb just to make sure every single strand is touching the tape. And this is what we're going to be doing throughout the top of the head up to the ear. We're going to keep going in brick layer form, or depending how many hair extensions are going to fit on that section of the hair. That little section of hair where your ear meets the back of your head, that is really important to make sure to place an extension right there, because if you don't, it will look very disconnected and you'll be missing hair right in between your ears. So you don't want that, and make sure to apply one right there between the connecting section between the ear and the back of your head. After my mom reached the top of the ear, she started using a hair extension to guide herself to see how many extensions were going to fit and how far she had to place them. So make sure you guys do that before applying every single one after you reach the top of your ear, just to make sure you don't overlap them. Once you guys reach the crown of your head, my mom's going to be showing you guys where she stopped. That is very critical. You guys also stop there because you guys need enough hair to cover the back hair extensions. That's where she stopped applying the hair extensions on the back. And now we're gonna move to the front of the face. Next, she divided the hair from the top of the head down to the ear to make sure how many were gonna fit there. You guys don't necessarily have to do this, but I have really short hair, so I did want my hair extensions to be in front of my face. So she did place 2 hair extensions on each side on top of the head. Make sure you guys take angled sections when you guys are placing the ones on top of the head, because it needs to have movement and able to pin up backwards instead of having them lay on flat like you guys have been applying the rest of the head. This is actually really hard to explain, you guys, so I'm really sorry if my explanations suck, but my mom did try her best to show you guys step by step and the movements of every single step that she did to apply the hair extension. So if you guys are going to be doing this, just turn on the video and you guys are going to be able to follow along on what she's doing and my sucky explanation. After you guys are done applying those 2 sections, you guys are completely done, and now I have a full-on freaking Rapunzel hair, and I'm so happy. I couldn't honestly be happier with the results. And another thing that this is so much better than clip-in extensions is that you cannot feel them whatsoever on your head. I really hope this helped you guys. I am so happy with the outcome of this. It's just, it looks so natural, it feels very natural, and I'm just really happy. My mom did an amazing job. And don't forget that if you guys want to know how she bleaches my hair, I will leave that video down in the description box for you. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to her channel because she's amazing and she's my mom and I love her. And now for the fun part, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the giveaway. So as I mentioned, I'm just so happy with this hair that I had to contact Laura and tell her about this idea that I have for you guys, because I really want you guys to try this hair and it's so amazing. So we decided to do a giveaway together, and since this is honestly just a gift for you guys, I don't want to have like these crazy rules of like 20 million things that you guys have to do. So I just try to narrow it down as much as I could. So what you guys are going to be winning is 2 sets of tape-in hair extensions. You guys are going to be able to choose any size and any color, of course, matching you guys. This giveaway is going to be international, so I am opening it to everybody, and these are going to be the rules for the giveaway. Super important rule, of course. You guys must be subscribed to my channel and also Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions channel. Both channels, be subscribed. Second rule is be following me and Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions on Instagram. Last rule is to like and comment down in this video. Any comment you guys want to leave, it is perfectly fine. And something that is also really important is that you guys only comment 1 time. If you guys comment more than once, you guys will be disqualified. I am so sorry, but only 1 comment per entry. And if you guys want an extra chance to win, make sure to share this video and that will give you a second entry on the giveaway. And that is it for the rules, you guys. Like I said, I really wanted to keep this at the minimum just because this is honestly just a gift for me to you guys, because you guys are amazing and I thought this hair is amazing, so I want you guys to have bomb hair too. But if you guys do not win on this giveaway, make sure to check out Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions down in the description box. I will be leaving my discount code for you guys to purchase anything from their website down below as well. This giveaway is going to be open for 2 weeks, so I will be leaving down here when it will be ending. And the winner for the extensions are going to be announced on my Instagram, so that is why it's really important that you guys follow both of our pages, because we both will be announcing it on there. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video and I really wish you guys the best of luck to whoever is going to win these extensions. So if you want to follow me on my social media, I have Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. I will leave those down below. Oh my god, that's so much down below. Too much information. I want to thank you so much for watching. I love you so much and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.